It's time to do a bit of cleaning. Ooh. I'm not cleaning me, I'm cleaning the tractor. Right, enough of the madness, a bit more later maybe. So, you're always moaning about my state of my tractors, a lot of you are, and I thought, you know what, maybe it's time I did actually give them a bit of a clean. So, my plan tonight is, I've got Harry's coming back and Jack's coming back later. They're going to pressure wash the outside of the Mccormick, the 105 I'm doing tonight, and I'm going to do the inside while I'm waiting for them. I got a new seat cover as well, I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm going to get the Mccormick, we'll give it a good hoover doover, Henry the Hoover, and then we'll probably do a bit of pressure washing. What could go wrong there with two kids and a pressure washer? Right, let's have a look at the state of this tractor. Well, as you can see, pretty grubby, isn't it? Even the grill, look at it. Oh, buddy, you stay there, mate. Right, so I don't know the last time I properly cleaned this tractor. It's been a long time. Look, grease everywhere on the back. Look at that. I don't know how much we'll get cleaned tonight. Let's have a look inside. Certainly haven't been cleaned this year. Let's put me... Look at this, bits of... That's cow mat in there. All sorts of rubbish in here. And chuck that out. And look at the state of the seat. Oh, buddy. Look at the state of the seat cover. Oh my God, there's more plastic. The seat cover, that's like a farmer's pair of pants, that is. Right, that's got to come out. There is a bit of the seat cover. There you go, you can see there's a bit of a cleaning job here. I don't know how much we'll get done tonight. I got Buddy down here, he's not happy. Come on, Bud, you got to stay there, mate, because I'm working hard. You stay there. You stay there and be cute. Oh, don't give me that shivery, soft... Oh, Buddy, come on. He wants to come and play, doesn't he? Right, so, first stop, let's just clear out part of Farmer's Peas trailer there. Drawbar pin, let's move that out of the way and then move the rubbish. Stop it. Don't make me feel guilty. Let's get up here. This seat cover, that isn't even worth keeping, is it? Look at that. Look at the state of that. Nice going. Pair of gloves. Oh, all sorts of junk in the back of here. Why on earth is there? Right, let's get that out. Oh. I got my Henry Hoover. I need a bit of rope. That's for tying gateways. Let's keep the rope. This can all go in the bin now. That's all going in the wheelie bin. Buddy, you're cheesing me off now. That's all going in the wheelie bin. Right. Let's have a look. What else is there? So I can leave that back compartment. There's not a metal bar in there. What on earth is that doing there? And an old tea towel, which I used as a duster. That can come out. That is a tea towel from Harry's school. Look. Oh, Jack's school. Oh no, it isn't. October 1991. They weren't at school. That's Crummell School. Ooh. Crummell Primary School. I'm not sure why we got that. Right. Let's get old Henry on the job. Henry, can you clean the tractor? Da da dee da 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 dee da 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 dee da da da. Right, let's get in. Right. I hope my wife's out at the moment. I hope she doesn't mind me using her Hoover. I might end up buying her a new Hoover if I clog it up with stuff from here. Right, I started doing this. I realised really probably what it really needs is a good wipe down. I don't know, maybe I'll do that after I got the dust off. Dog is not happy. What I can do is I'll get the best of it off, and then I might just give it a hot wipe down. But how long do I spend on this? Maybe I ought to take down to those valeters down at Tesco's and get them to do it, give them 13 quid and say, can you do my tractor? They probably go mental actually. Right, let's crack on. I think I might block my wife's Hoover up. Doesn't sound right. Let's take that off. Maybe the bag's full. Oh, I got a full bag. I got a full bag. I got a brand new combine harvester. Oh, flipping heck. Let's get out of here. Oh, I got a full Henry bag. No wonder one's sucking very well. Right, let's go and get a new Henry bag. Now this is slightly different. If you look, it's got a zip in it, and I've just bought this. It's a bit of a trial. I'm going to put it in here. The idea is you can actually reuse the bag rather than buying a new bag all the time. You just unzip it, which to me makes much better sense than chuck it. I'm sure my mum had a bag like that before, so I'm going to try that. Let's hope that fits on the recyclable, reusable Hoover bag. Nice. I don't think it was sucking very well right from the start, so let's hope this makes a difference. Just crack on, click on. Ooh. Ooh, that's better. Here's Harry. All right, Hazza, how is horse riding?
Good.
Harry, Buddy's not happy.
No.
I'm going to spend another 10 minutes sort of going to just give this a wipe down, I think, with some warm water.
Okay.
And then we'll get the jet brusher out. I've got to put the seat cover on here. Mm-hmm. And are you alright for a bit of pressure washing?
Yeah.
What could go wrong?
Nothing.
I could get very wet.
Yeah, I think that will happen.
No.
Yeah.
No. No. Alright, I'll give you a shout when I've done this, alright? Thank you. Bye. Right, that's as good as it gets, I think, from the Funky Farmer vacuuming with Henry. I'm just gonna take this down here. I'm gonna get a bucket of soapy water and just give everything a bit of wipe down. This ain't gonna be a great valley. It'll be just a quick clean and then the boys can wash it. Let's face it, anything's better than what I did before. Right, I got some soapy water now. Let's get up into the cab. Oh, that's sitting down. Right, so realistically, this is a quick Funky Farmer makeover. It isn't a proper valley, is it? If there's any valley companies out there want a challenge of cleaning the Funky Farmer's tractors, you're welcome to come down here on a weekend. I'll line up the tractors and I'll do a video with you of cleaning them properly, and you can get in a Funky Farmer video in return for cleaning my tractors. I'm not expecting them to take that up, by the way. So yeah, look, let's just have a look. Look at that, that's the cleanest it's been in 20 years. I don't think I've ever put a wet cloth on any of the plastic in this tractor. So look, there's bird poo on it as well. What it needs is one clean and then a deep clean afterwards, I think. Do you know what as well? The other thing as well is there's nothing better than actually sitting in a nice clean vehicle, is there? It makes you feel better, doesn't it? And I never clean my cars or my vehicles. I just never seem to have the time. Oh, the paint's coming off there, look. Give that another, oh, that's hot, nice hot soapy water. Give that another wash down there. Look at that. Lovely. Let's have a look. On there, there's probably 20 years of dirt there. It's quite satisfying. It's finding the time to do it. That's what I find. Not the fact that I don't want to do it. Oh look, my roof sticker's faded. That's the roof warning sign telling you not to flipping go in the wrong part. Oh, look at that. This is a good one. Look at this. Can I get that clean? Look at that. When was the last time that was properly clean? Look at that. Actually, sees it's actually orange underneath there. This is much better. All the switches. The rubber's not very easy to clean. I think really probably the best way to clean that would be to take that off. There is going to be out soon. Look at that, you can actually see the lettering. Right, I'm going to carry on with this for a couple of minutes and then we'll have a little look when I've finished. You don't want to see me doing it all. I've got a seat cover to put on as well. Yeah, look at the colour of that water. So, that's a better job than it was. The plastics come up alright. The cloth bits don't really clean up that well, and I haven't done the floor anymore. But I think that's pretty good. Not so much dust as rubber on, you know. Hey, that's better than it was. How far should I go? I'm not going any further. Let's get the seat cover on. That seat cover really was past it. Right, got myself a new seat cover from Rhino UK. Now Rhino UK very kindly saw my plight of my broken seat cover and sent me a new seat cover. Look at this. So we're going to stick that on. Let's hope it fits. I think it will, because I said to him, oh yeah, it's got to fit a McCormick 105. Let's get up there. Can't be any worse than that rag bag one, can it? Let's get up here and see how we go. Right, now then, I think there's a strap at the back. Where is it? There it is. I'll put that strap on, as the actress said to the bishop. I'll tuck that pin down there. Very good. So we have a new seat cover for our McCormick, which protects the seat not just from dirt but from wear, because it's better to wear out the seat cover than the actual seat. So hey ho, brilliant. Right, thank you, Rhino. I don't think I'm going to do any more in here. Well, not for now anyway. I just spoken to Harry and they're a bit tired, so what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to pressure wash tomorrow night. So this is part one of the tractor makeover. The more I spend in here with my little duster, the more I'm looking at other bits going, oh, do you know what, I could spend hours in here. This is why it doesn't happen. This is why it doesn't happen, because basically when am I going to get hours to spend time cleaning the tractor? I am never short of work on the farm. It's very different if your tractor is your main place you spend. If you're arable, you spend most of your time in your tractor and you treat it like a car, really, don't you? I find that I'm jumping in and out of here for short periods of time with my mucky boots, getting it dirty, and I just don't seem to ever have the time to get back in here. But hey ho, I've got a new seat cover, I've got a cleanish tractor. We're going to pressure wash it tomorrow night. Tune in tomorrow night when the boys help me pressure wash this tractor. In the meantime, crack on. We'll put this away now.